Now, FileMaker Advanced can also create runtime solutions. If you're a developer and you're making standalone solutions that you want to put up on your website so people can download them and use them, this is what you want. It binds a limited copy of FileMaker Pro to your solution so that people don't even have to know it's FileMaker Pro. They download it, it works just like it does in FileMaker Pro, but without it. So this is a great little feature to have if you want to make a living off of selling contact managers and other solutions. So what you do is you come up here and go to Developer Utilities, and here's where all this happens. Now we're going to go over this more extensively later, so I'm not going to go over everything, but there's a lot of features in here for setting up how your runtime solution works. And the best thing about it is they're royalty free, license free. You have to do nothing. You can distribute them and not pay anybody anything. Another great feature is custom functions. What a custom function is the ability to create your own function, just like you would see in Managed Database, and we'll go there. You might see a calculation. We'll do a test one here. And you might see like the ABS function or ACOS, or we'll go down farther and look at one you might be more familiar with, like isEmpty or left. Let's look at the text functions. Those are always good. You've got filter, you've got length, left, middle, right, lower. All these functions call on C++ code within FileMaker, but you can make your own custom functions. What this allows you to do is create a calculation, a very complicated calculation, and call upon it with a simple syntax. So it makes it easier to call upon that custom function no matter where you are inside your FileMaker solution. Not only that, if you've used that custom function, referred to it 10 times in your database, then all you have to do if you need to make a change to the code is go to one place, make the change, and it flows out to wherever it was inside your solution. So it's really a great feature. And then, of course, you have the Database Design Report, or DDR. This is really a great feature. Essentially, what it allows you to do is create a cross-reference of your database. For instance, let's say you want to go ahead and find out if this field is used anywhere in your solution. You can't remember what it's for. You're having trouble remembering if it was just something you made and forgot about. Well, you could go to Define Fields and look at every calculation, and then go into ScriptMaker and look in there, and then you could go over to Value Lists and try to track it down wherever it might be used, or you could create your DDR. What this will allow you to do is do an HTML or XML report that opens up in a web browser so you can see where this field is used, every layout, every value list, every script, everything where it's used, so you can go, oh yeah, that's where it's used, or it's used nowhere, I can delete it. And this does with layouts. You can look at your layouts and see what's on there, and it just makes things so much easier by all this cross-referencing. So I highly recommend getting FileMaker 10 Advanced. It will really help you out in your development.